Oh my god, I literally look like I'm a sheet of paper.
I'm not, because I'm brown.
Not fair. Hey guys, it's Eitan. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm cooking. Stop. You can't laugh, it's making me laugh. Today we are doing cooking ASMR with
Hibah, second appearance on Eitan's YouTube channel.
In case you guys haven't already seen it, I did a video with Hibah like a month or two ago, and it got a lot of views.
Go check it out, guys.
So Hibah is back here. I'm not using your views, I promise, but it's a school night. I finished all my homework, and we need to do some cooking. So you ready to do some ASMR cooking?
I'm excited for this.
For those who know what an ASMR video is, it's like basically where you whisper into the mic and you play like quiet sounds. I don't really know, look it up, but that's what
it's supposed to be very satisfying.
Yeah, very satisfying and very calming. So if you're calmed by this video,
leave a comment down below.
Yeah, let us know if you like ASMR. The hardest part of this video is going to be not laughing the whole time.
Especially for me.
Yes, very much so. Okay, let's go in the kitchen and figure out what we're going to make because I literally have no idea. Okay, also ignore the mess because I did not have time to clean anything. Hibah, let's go. Okay, so right now we are in the kitchen. Hibah's holding the camera. Hibah, come here. Now we can't go that far away or the mic is going to unplug. Okay, so right over here, let's go into the fridge. I literally have no idea what we're making. Excuse the fact that our fridge is definitely a mess. Alright, Hibah, zoom out. Other one. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, so I have literally no idea what we're gonna make. I'm kind of thinking we should go for like some... Oh, listen to that again. I think I'm doing ASMR right. Okay, I think I want to make some cheesy French fries. Right over here we have some cheddar cheese and some mozzarella cheese. We'll use that for the cheesy French fries, but I'm going to put them away right now because we first have to make the fries. Okay, bye forever. Okay, this is some fridge closing ASMR triggers. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Okay, let's come over here. Over here we have... Oh, listen to that. Some potatoes. Let's do some ASMR potato triggers. Hibah, do you want to say hi?
Hi, guys.
That's Hibah over there, okay. One thing they do in ASMR is tapping noises, so let's tap on the potato. Hibah, zoom in. Come close, come close, come close. Even closer. There we go. Okay, some tapping noises.
Very satisfying. Very satisfying. I'm not comfortable with being this close up, Eitan. So can we please zoom out?
There's no zoom. There's no zoom on this. Okay, Hibah, it's your turn to cut.
Obviously you guys are gonna see I'm not good at cooking, so let's see how this goes. So
Come on, Hibah, you can do it.
I can't though.
I think you can do it. You're good. Hibah, you're getting it on the floor.
I'm sorry.
Oh my god, watch out. I was looking at the camera. Okay, so right now, we just finished peeling the potatoes, and now we're going to preheat the oil. Oh.
Satisfying.
We're gonna make a mess. frying process. Okay, let's bring them into the oil. Hibah, zoom in.
Got it, I got it.
Okay, our fries are now done for the first fry. They are just slightly golden brown. Listen to this. Okay, so the fries just finished being fried, and I'm gonna grab some salt. I'm gonna salt the food. Okay, Dad, we are filming an ASMR video.
It's not mine.
Turn off the phone.
Okay guys, now the fries have been fried and now we're gonna put some cheese on them.
Alright, I think we have enough cheese. Let's now pop it into the oven, alright? Okay.
Okay, that sounds good.
Okay.
Is that good enough? Okay.
French fries are now done. They got a little crispy, but... Alright, it is now the time we have all been waiting for. Hibah, are you excited?
I love fries. For anybody that knows me, I'm obsessed.
Okay, we are very excited to start eating. Okay, so let's put the mic here and let's each grab a fry. Look at that. Oh, look at all that cheese on there. Let's bring it up to the camera. Look at the cheese. Wait. Hibah, you're not a beauty guru. Look at the cheese. So much cheese. Okay.
Delicious.
Alright, ready?
Cheese.
Ready for the bite. We have to get a nice crack. Ready?
Eitan, nobody wants to hear you eat.
You guys probably already know this because I talk about it a lot. But my friend Sam is British, and he always yells at me for how loud I eat. He says I'm the loudest eater.
Cause you are.
I know. So I feel like ASMR is good for me because like I can make a lot of. My dad just closed the front door. I'm sorry.
Apologies, guys.
Yeah, we apologize. Okay. We didn't mean to trigger you. Okay, let's take another bite.
People probably hate listening to that, Eitan.
Oh, there we go.
Is that good enough, Eitan?
Okay, honestly, what are we doing right now? We're in a silent house. Eating cheesy French fries. With the camera in front of us, holding a mic and whispering. In absolute silence.
We're doing it for the views, Eitan.
Do it for the views. Hashtag do it for the views.
Do it for the views.
Okay guys, so we're not gonna go finish eating these French fries, but we want to end the YouTube video here. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Hibah, did you have fun?
I had a lot of fun, Eitan.
Yes, it was a lot of fun. Who doesn't like some ASMR? Oh my god, sorry.
Fries.
I just hit the mic. That probably was really loud. I apologize. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you haven't already, click that like button down below. Should they click it?
100%.
Yes. Also,
Wait. Full set.
yes. Also, comment down below. Do you like ASMR? Do you hate ASMR? We want to know. Do you want to see more of these videos? What else do you want us to make in ASMR? Do you want to see more of Hibah?
You guys want to see more of this?
Most importantly, let us know all of that down below. And if you haven't already, what should they click?
The subscribe button.
Click the big red subscribe button down below. This is what it looks like over here. It's free to click. It's big. It's easy. And when you click, your mouse will make that like very satisfying click sound. So it'll be worth it. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Now, the outro music is very loud, so I'm just warning you. This video is about to go from 0 to 100 real quick. Okay?
I haven't stopped eating.